Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your Apple ID and iCloud are active on the iPhone. This links your device to Find My. Once signed in, enable location services so the phone can report its position. Next, open Settings, tap your name, choose Find My, and switch on Find My iPhone and send last location. This saves battery-friendly location data when power is low. Doing these now prevents delays later and makes remote tracking, playing a sound, or locking the device possible immediately. Once Find My is active, open the Find My app or go to iCloud. Calm and sign in, you'll see your devices on a map. If the phone is nearby, tap Play Sound to trigger an audible alert, even if it's on silent, so you can find it quickly. If it's missing, choose Mark as Lost to remotely lock the device, show a contact message and phone number, and suspend Apple Pay. These steps secure data and increase chances of recovery while you keep monitoring the map. If recovery looks unlikely, you can erase iPhone remotely to protect personal data. Note this action is final and prevents further tracking. After an erase, activation lock still requires your Apple ID to reactivate the device, so keep those credentials safe. If Find My isn't showing a location, make sure the phone is signed into iCloud, has network access, and location services enabled. Also confirm date and time are automatic. If problem
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.